Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Update iOS to the latest build and back up your device so you can recover if something goes wrong. Next, acquire the certificate or mobile config from the administrator or server. You'll need the root or intermediate CA file. Once you have the file, tap it in Mail or Safari to download or transfer via AirDrop. Install the profile in Settings, General VPN, and Device Management so the system can see the new trust anchor. Once the profile appears in Settings, tap it and choose Install. You may be asked for your device passcode and to consent to installing a configuration. After installation, navigate to About Certificate Trust Settings and toggle Full Trust for the root certificate you added. This lets TLS chains validate for apps and mail. Make sure the certificate's name matches the server's issued CA, and if the server uses SNI or wildcard names, confirm the SAN covers the host name, so TLS validation. Final steps: test the connection in Safari or the app. You should see a secure padlock and no warnings. If you still get TLS errors, check the server host name against the certificate SAN, confirm the cert isn't expired, and ensure intermediate certificates are present on the device or server. If validation still fails, remove the profile, reinstall the correct certificate chain, and reboot the iPhone. If problems persist, contact the server administrator for a matching certificate or corrected chain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.